All right, hi guys. Decision making is one of the most important area. I'm just sending the link of the last 20 years that essays. Fine, because essay is very important only if you are applying for XLRI. Otherwise, आपका कोई essay खोलने भी नहीं वाला. If you're applying for Willinker, KJ Somaya, you don't need to worry about the essay. You can leave the essay blank. But for XLRI only, they're going to open up the essay writing. Fine. So essay writing is going to be a separate section in the paper. Okay. So how to write the essay is a main question. You can write an essay अगर topic समझा तो. For example, 2000 and I don't remember the year 2017 topic क्या था globalization और no problem I can handle that globalization and jingoism. ओ बेटा जी जिंगोइज्म का मतलब ही नहीं पता तो मैं लिखूं तो क्या लिखूं. ठीक है. जिंगोइज्म का मतलब ही नहीं पता तो मैं लिखूं तो क्या लिखूं. फाइन. So that's the main problem area. Normally, the topic here is about business. Of lately, the topic is more coming about business. किसी को अगर last का topic याद है तो मेरे को please tell me if you remember the topic of last 2 years. Most beautiful things. Earlier, the topic used to come like that. Most beautiful thing can neither be seen or touched, but can only be felt. Most beautiful things cannot be touched, can only be felt. इसके ऊपर एक बंदा लिख के आया था लव के ऊपर. He wrote the complete essay on love. जब उसने मुझे बताया तो मतलब खींच के चपेट मारी साले लव के ऊपर क्यों. यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम. प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट गाइस, यू आर गोइंग फॉर द मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम. योर essay should talk about management. Okay. For example, let's talk about 5 things. Love, fear. Can you give me any 5 emotions? Love, fear, bhakti. Okay. Bhakti kya yaar? Bhakti is like kind of a love only, na? Can you give me any 5 emotions? Fear, love, anger, superb, thank you. Sadness, betrayal, अरे दीदी को धोखा मिला है लगता है. Betrayal. Okay. If you give me any topic about any of these things, fine. Without any question, you will go towards the non-management side. But nahin, we have to bring the topic about management. You have to write about management. Pointer number 1. Fine. See, globalization topic aisa hai yaar. Jingoism is basically jingoism kya tha? Is like deshbhakti. Yes. Fine. Globalization is globalization. I can go to China, US. Jingoism like nahi, hum India mein hi banayenge. Only make in India products kind of thing. Okay. Chalega. So number 1 thing I want to convert into the. So you give me any topic, beauty, this and that. I will convert into management side. What come to your mind when you see the word management? What come to your mind when you see business? Business itself, profits, leadership, boss, employees, skills, management of time, startups, all these things. Now, convert these 5 things into management topic. Society, welfare, value addition, value creation, superb, all these things. Now, give me any management word for love. मुझे प्यार मोहब्बत बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड की बात करना ही नहीं है. Can you relate love towards anybody, any of these things? Client relationship, superb. I can do that. I can talk about that. Unbiased at love का unbiased attitude में कैसे लेके आओगे यार? In other words, convert love into management side. आपको बस management में job देना है. Fear. Fear can be boss. Fear can be targets. Boss can be again anger. Boss can be target. HR, ratings. ठीक है, लॉस एग्जैक्ट सुपर्ब, प्रॉफिट लॉस वाला लॉस एग्जैक्टली, ठीक है, माई रेटिंग इज गोइंग डाउन, आई एम सैड, माई एम्प्लॉइज आर नॉट हैप्पी, आई एम सैड. So you can convert. So any top you give me, please stick to the management side. Okay. That's why when I'm taking the JDPI sessions, we call it TLAM. TLAM. TLAM is think like a manager. It's very, very important to think like a manager. Okay. So the moment you say love, don't start talking about the boyfriend, girlfriend, all these things. Betrayal. Again, betrayal. Now you tell me anything that come to your mind on betrayal. गर्लफ्रेंड के बारे में कोई नहीं बोलेगा, बॉयफ्रेंड के बारे में कोई नहीं बोलेगा. Employees leaving the company, company switching, yes. मैनेजर ने लीव अप्रूव नहीं किया, अरे गुड वन, बट थोड़ा बड़ा सोच यार, बड़ा सोच. मैनेजर ने, तुम साला बाहर मत निकलना इसके ऊपर मत सोचना कभी. Fine. So what I'm trying to say is management point of view. You have to convert everything into management point of view. That's the biggest point which I want to make home. Because listening is a dying art. All these topics have come in the that exam. ठीक है, करप्शन इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, वो पॉवर्टी, ये सभी टॉपिक आ चुके हैं. Okay, but if they give you a topic which is related to emotions which can be felt, convert them into management side. नहीं समझ आ रहा तो write down all the things that come to your mind from the word management and then link it with them and then write on that. Okay, that's the number one advice I can give you, the most important advice.